Hello everybody, Lucas here again, and another one of my update of my Thomas & Friends DVD collection. And I decided to mix those DVDs up so you guys can laugh aloud, like my last video. So, I don't know, it's been a long time that I haven't made more YouTube videos, so anyway, let's get started. First off, here we have Mud Glorious Mud, DVDs that I used to watch. And it comes with Misty Ann, the Blu-ray disc of Misty Ann Rescue. Next up we got a CGI DVD, Schoolhouse Delivery, that I also used to watch. But it's with the Blu-ray disc of King of the Railway, the movie. Alright, and this one is a Sounds of Sodor DVD. Is my only my only Thomas & Friends Sounds of Sodor DVD, Henry and the Elephant. VHS version of The Gallant Old Engine, another Thomas Adventures. But it's with the Blu-ray disc for The Great Race, the movie. Anyway, Thomas' Snowy Surprise, another Adventures. But it's with the Blu-ray disc for Day of the Diesels, the movie. And here we have the double feature of New Friends for Thomas and Other Adventures and Spills and Chills and Other Thomas Trills. But they both come with Thomas' Trusty Friends. And you have the double feature of Thomas' Trusty Friends and On Site with Thomas and Other Adventures. It has double discs, so so here we have There Is the Best of James and Misty Ann Rescue. And we have the double feature of Thomas and the Toy Workshop and Thomas and the Really Great Adventures, another double feature, also with double discs. But it comes with Sodor's Legend of Lost Treasure, the movie, and Thomas and Halloween Adventures. Next up, here we have Animals Aboard. But it comes with Go Go Thomas. And here we have the Blu-ray copy of Misty Ann Rescue. But it comes with double discs, Big World Revenge, the movie, and Ultimate Christmas. Now, speaking of Ultimate Christmas, here we have Ultimate Christmas. But it comes with King of the Railway, the movie. And that, you have Holiday Express. But it comes with Mighty Matters. And here we have one of my favorites, Thomas Magic Railroad, that I used to watch it. But it comes with Merry Christmas, Thomas. Next up, Ultimate Friendship Adventures. But it comes with Stencil Engine. Sorry about that. That's The Great Discovery, the movie. But it comes with Thomas and his friends get along in the Thomas Adventures. And Thomas and the Treasure that I used to watch. But it comes with Track Stars. And the double feature of The Best of James and Best of Thomas, also double discs. But it comes with Team Up Thomas and then She's Got Space. Anyway, Thomas' Solar Celebration, but it comes with Wild Water Rescue and Other Adventures. And Blue Mountain Mystery, the movie. Another one of my favorites. Really good movie, but it comes with Thousand Discoveries. Anyway, we have a tale, another Sodor Adventures. But it comes with disc 2 of the greatest stories. And another one of my favorites, James and Red Balloon, No Tom's Adventures. But it comes with The Great Race, the movie. And speaking of that, we got the double disc set Engine Friends. But both DVDs comes with A Big Day for Thomas, which here we go, and The Adventure Begins. Anyway, Merry Winter Wish, my thumb. But it comes with Tom's Friends Help Out. And we got the 6 DVD sets with Retro Tracks, but instead of those DVDs, it has Carnival Capers, Tom's Percy Dragon Nose Stories, Hero with the Rails the movie, They Have the Deals the movie, Signals Cross, and Percy Advanced Man. Anyway, and you see that here, it seems off the tracks. But it comes with High Speed Adventures and Jar V Art Sodor, the movie. But it comes with Tales from the Tracks. Ugh. Yeah, The Thomas Way. But it comes with Trust Thomas and other stories. Hold on, let me put my video camera down. Here we are. Now, Carnival Keeper, speaking of that, again. But it comes with The Best of Thomas. Anyway, Big World Big vs. Movie, here we are. But it comes with Colonial Engines. Anyway, Engines in Space. My back just kind of hurting. But it comes with Rusty Rescue. And Solar's Legend of Lost Treasure, the movie, another speaking of that, we all watch it. But it comes with Thompson Tour Workshop. Is Thompson's Workshop? Yeah, it's Thompson Tour Workshop. Anyway, here we go, Thomas. Here's Go Thomas. But it comes with Squall's Livery. Anyway, we got Merry Christmas Thomas. But it comes with Holiday Express. And we got Wild World Rescue and Other Adventures. But it comes with Cranky Cranky. Hold on, just with it. You're going to see more size and easier. Yeah, anyway, here's the Blu-ray copy of. Hold on. The Blu-ray. Hold on. Actually, I'm good, but it is. It's right here. Anyway, you can. Anyway, here we have the Blu-ray copy of King of the Railway, the movie. When it comes to double discs, here's Percy Saves the Day, No Adventures, and James the Red Balloon, No Tom's Adventures. And here we have Mighty Matters. But it comes with Come Ride the Rails. Anyway, Percy and the Bandstand. But it comes with Thompson Solar Celebration. The Adventure Begins. But it comes with Thomas and the Treasure. And, Hero with Rails, the movie. But it comes with Thomas and Surprise and Adventures. And, Track Stars. But it comes with Splish Splash Splash. Tom's Price Gets Along, and other Tom's Adventures, but it comes with Tom's Magic Railroad. Sassel Engine, but it comes with Square Speed Engine. The Tom's Halloween Adventures, but it comes with the flip of this with Spills and Chills, No Tom's Thrills, and New Friends for Thomas, and those adventures. The 40s, 15th collection, but instead of those DVDs, it includes up with Tom's Comes to Breakfast, No Tom's Adventures, Harry Went to Wish, Percy Goes to Trick, No Tom's Stories, and Tom's River Adventures, No Adventures. Anyway, we got a double feature of Trust Thomas, Stories, The Big Day for Thomas. but it comes with Railway Friends and Steam's First Diesels and the Thomas Adventures. And we have 40 sets of Fort Thomas. But instead of DVDs, it comes with this crew of Engine Friends, Ultimate French Adventures, Lions Todor, and Tints Off the Tracks. Yeah. Thomas First Bounce, but it comes with the Thomas Way, the double set, The Great Stories, but double disc instead has Journey Beyond Todor, the movie, and My Glorious Mud, High Speed Adventures, but it comes with Henry the Elephant, a Blu-ray copy of David Diesel, the movie, but it comes with Blue Mountain Mystery, the movie, and On Site with Thomas and Other Adventures. Oh, not again. And Signals Crossed, but it comes with The Great Discovery, the movie, Jazz Discoveries, but it comes with the disc one of Engine Friends, anyway, Railway Friends, but it comes with Thomas the Engine and Other Adventures, Team Up with Thomas, the final triple more DVDs left. It comes with Animals Aboard, and double more. Here's Thomas First Dragon and Other Stories, but it comes with Velvet Tail and Other Sword Adventures. And finally, the Blu-ray copy of The Great Racing Movie. For double DVDs that are Thompson Roman Kites, and this one is The Great Stories. Oh, by the way, I put those sides of the pamphlets and some advertisements from the Blu-rays, and I also took a slipcover from like Henry the Elephant, the sound of the DVD, and thanks for watching. Woo!